Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of my boy Tommy, the Buffalo picker? Defend the hustle on Friday nights tonight. Woo! I'm going to be on it tonight, y'all. Y'all better watch. Have you ever heard of Big D? I call him Big D. His name is Derek from Fundamentals of the Side Hustle. Yeah. What is the show name? I keep forgetting it. It's the Wednesday night hump day hangout with Regina Michelle. Yeah. Have you ever heard of what's the dude named Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage the Shed? He done hired his wife, whatever. Have you ever heard of what's the dude name from Texas? Yeah, Lone Star Picker. Yeah, have you ever heard of blood, sweat, and sell? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're selling. What the heck? Well, it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? This Freaky Friday 5 Friday. I just wanted to make this quick video before I go into work. Yeah, let's get to it, y'all. Okay, number 5 is some Bose speakers. I sold some Bose speakers, the double cube speakers, for $36.50. Number 4 was a pair of Palladium, whatever the name of these shoes, Palladium. Men's athletic Pampa High, whatever that is. Pampa High, whatever that, I don't even know what the hell that is. Anyway, I paid $4.50 for those. I sold them for $45. They sold in like a day. Okay, next up, number 3. Number 3 is damn, I have another 3? No, yeah, I got it. Number 3, I sold some more books. Yeah, I bought these. These sold in 2 days. This is the Definitive Journal of Lewis and Clark. I had volumes 2 through 8. I was missing volume 1. And evidently volume 1 is the most popular one. It's by itself for $80-something. But anyway, I had these on there for 2 days. I paid $12 for these books. I paid $12 for them. I sold them for $65 plus shipping and handling. These books were 16. That's why I like selling books. These books were 16 pounds. It was just $6. No, it was $8 or something shipping because of media mail. What the hell? Anyway, number 4. I'm sorry. That was number 3. Number 2 is a Lego Star Wars TIE Fighter pilot helmet. You know, the TIE fighters is the fighters that chase the ships down, and all they show is their head moving and stuff. This is the helmet. So I paid $29 for this because I looked it up, and an unopened box was damn near $100. This box was open, but it had all the packets in it, 6 packets. All 6 of them was in there. All 6 of them was sealed. And so I paid $29 for it. I sold this for $67 plus shipping and handling. I think that was a good deal. I never paid nothing that high and sold it. You know, I always pay stuff real low. I never paid $29 for nothing and then sold it for, you know, flipped it like that. That's what D do. D buy stuff real high because he gonna know he gonna make a profit from it. But I don't like doing stuff like that. I be thinking about, damn, I paid $29 for one item, you know. And the number 1 item on Freaky Fridays was those junk drawer cell phones that I had got together. All they was doing was sitting in my drawers. I put them together, and all I did, I had like 5 or 6 Blackberries. I put them in there. I put some Windows phones in there. I put a Razr in there, and I made it look kind of good, you know. I got rid of those phones. They were just sitting there. So y'all bundle this stuff up and get it out. You know, I sold that for $79 plus shipping and handling. I think that was like $12 shipping or something like that. I sent to FedEx because UPS wanted $19. So I sent that FedEx. But if y'all got a lot of stuff, lot it together. Y'all look at those junk drawer, look that up on eBay and see what you can do. Just copy off those people. I got a couple of them I'm finna put out, you know, and get rid of some of this small stuff, you know, this cluttering up. Hey y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. Don't forget, Defend the Hustle tonight with your boy gonna be on there, you know, with Tommy, Glass City, and I don't know what other guests is gonna be on there, but I'm gonna be on there. All I got to say is, y'all, you know, come see us, see what we talking about. You know, I learn stuff every time I go on there, and I'm finna learn something now, tonight. That's all to it. I'm gonna try not to curse, though. I'm gonna try not to curse, and I'm trying not to, you know, say damn and stuff like that, because Tommy's wife don't like that. You know, I try to respect stuff. So, anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo! Freaking Friday, we picking up too. Yeah! Peace!